What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we will provision our first EC2 instance. So let's get started. Now let's hop to our AWS console. So this is my AWS console. What I will do is get into services and then hit EC2 instance. So here we will get into our EC2 dashboard. So inside this dashboard there are four sections. That is, one is this one, another is this one, and in the left hand side also, and in the right hand side also. So what to start my first EC2 instance, what I have to do is I have to hit in this instances one. Okay, this one. So there are a lot of services which in this EC2, like this elastic IP right here, security groups, key pairs, placement groups, and all. Load balancing and auto scaling is also there, and the AMI generation also, that is Amazon Machine Image. But for this video I am going to talk about this instances only. So in this video I am going to generate the Ubuntu instance. So let's hit this launch instances in the top right hand corner, this one. I will launch it. Okay, so this will open the AMI page, this one. So here all the images like Mac OS and Amazon Linux and all the stuff like Red Hat also. So here in this search bar I will type Ubuntu, right, and hit enter. So there are many versions for this operating system because it is an open source operating system. So there are a lot of patches which are releasing day by day and month by month, and they are updating it. So that's why there is many releases, which is one of it is 1804, which is quite common in production environment. But this beta version of this is also released of this 20.04 in Microsoft or in Google Cloud. I have seen this 20.04 is missing for now because it is not in the production mode, but in future releases you will see in those cloud also. So this one I will select 20.04 because it is the current recent one, so I will select it right now. So in this tab, this one, so this is to select the instance type. So to select the instance type, keep some things and some specification in your mind. So what instance type do you need as per your requirement? Because we are working in the big data and those technologies which demands more CPU usage and RAM usage. So CPU is nothing but your core, right? Your code, like if you are using a laptop having Intel processors, so the i7 core will contain 6 processor, fine, and the i3 will contain 2 CPUs. So that's how it is configured. So the best practice for our use case is using this T2 medium instance type because it has this i3 processor, right, with 4 GBs of RAM, which is quite common in our PC laptops and quite day-to-day tasks. Lower than that may cause some problem, and higher one is preferred, is like T2 large is also preferred. But for now I will use this T2 medium because I am using only a single node cluster and it won't impact my performance. So select this one and next configure details. Since I'm using it for not for production environment, only for development, I can launch it on my default VPC. But in your production environment, you have to configure the VPC which is common to your organization. Next, add storage. So in this add storage, make sure to have some 16 GBs of storage because it is needed, and NIFI or any big data technology will consume more space than the normal one. So make sure you have 16, at least 16 GBs of hard disk configured. So this is the SSD one. There are a lot of options. So SSD would work fine. GP2. So add text. So this section you can name your instance. So I will name it as per my requirement because I want for a Nifi. So I will use Nifi. Next, I will configure the security group. So for now, I will only add this 80. That is the port for internet access. In production environment and for getting the safe, configure my IP. But in my case, I am taking the risk of opening the port to the world. So I will use this 0.0 by the time. So review and launch. So I will launch it. Select the key pair. If you don't have a key pair, try generating it. So I will show you how to generate it. This one, select and select create a new key pair, right? Download the key pair and keep it safe, fine. So you have to like new, I will generate by new KP. I will name it new KP. So I have to download it. This is my key pair and it is getting down inside downloads. I will save it. Okay, so this is my key pair getting saved. Now I will launch my instance. Now my instance is launching. Okay, so I will scroll a bit. Okay, here specify the name. My I will name it, or I will name it first instance. This is the mock name. It doesn't affect our system. So what I will do is I will take this IP. Okay, instead of using the bitwise, I will use first the this web console. So I will use, let's connect to our EC2 instance. So right here, I will click connect. So this is opening in the browser. Yeah. So now my EC2 instance is connected. That is my I have connected to my Ubuntu instance. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel for more updates.